I've been your mother, taking good care of you. But now that I have my own child, I think it's time I focus on her and only her.
I'm sorry, Mom. I really don't understand what you're saying.
I'm not your mother, and you're not my child.
But you and Dad are the only parents I know.
We are not your parents, and I'm sure you know that. We're just simply taking care of you. That's it. You are not my biological daughter.
I'm your daughter too.
I am not your mother. I picked you up from the street. You're just a homeless child. And I didn't have a child of my own at that time. And that's why I took care of you. But now that I have mine, I want to take good care of her. So, you listen. I will give you time, let's say a few days, to go out there to look for your parents. Or maybe where you want to stay, live with. Am I clear? I want you to know I'm not your mother, and you are not my biological daughter. Mimi is the only child I have, and I want to take good, proper care of her. Okay?
Mimi. How are you?
Fine.
I was looking for you this morning when I woke up. Where were you?
I slept in mommy's room.
Oh, you got me worried though.
Kara,
Yes, Mom.
why are you still in your uniform?
Today is Monday and we're both going to school, so.
And I don't want to believe that you're drunk this early. Or have you forgotten our discussion yesterday?
Mom, please, I don't have anywhere to go.
And how is that my business, Kara? Rather than talk to me about school, you are meant to use this time because at least I gave you a few days to sort yourself out, right? So you're supposed to use these few days wisely by going out there to look for your parents or whoever you want to be living with or stay with. You're talking to me about school. Which school? The one that my husband is paying or the one you have started paying?
Mommy, what's the problem?
Mimi, what's the car? Am I clear, Clara? Car, am I clear? You go upstairs and get that thing off. Except you want to start registering yourself in school. And I don't think you have that money, do you?
Hi. Why you not go to school? Why you sit down here?
Mom stopped me from going to school.
Mom stop you from going to school. Why? Why?
She said that paying my school fees is a waste of money. She can't keep wasting her money.
Okay. In other words, she wanted to become a Olodon. She is planning for you to become a proper Olodo. No, that one is okay. One thing I dey ask you, I beg. Now she they pay these school fees before I been your daddy. Now she they pay them before.
I don't know. But my only problem is I have tests today. It's an important test. I don't know how I'm going to do it and I can't miss it.
Don't worry. Your papa, they come. I'm not saying they come today. Once they come, all this one single servant, they come.
What if he doesn't come back?
He will come, don't worry. Me and him talk. My salary self, now today is supposed to reach my hand. So you don't go jam with your own this thing now. So you go solve everything at once. You go do everything together. Don't worry.
What are you doing seated here? Still sulking. What is the problem? And you've not cleaned the house.
What?
Yes, sir. You heard me, didn't you? Why haven't you cleaned the house?
Mama, I thought Miss Agatha will come as usual.
So I have you in this house and I'm paying someone to clean the house. While you're staying here rent-free?
It's not like I'm a cleaner. I'm also your daughter and I'm...
Something is wrong with you. Did you hear me? Something is wrong with you. So when I picked you up from the streets, did you bring a house with you? Was there a house beside you? No. I brought you into this house and whatever I say is what you would do. Are you listening to me? Now while you're staying here in my house, you will pay for the rent by cleaning and doing the dishes, while of course you're looking for your parents. Do I make myself clear? Car, do I make myself clear?
Yes, Mom.
And I don't want to repeat myself. So good. Get to it. And don't make me repeat myself. It's okay. Jesus. Mimi, it's okay. I'm sorry. I've apologized. What do you want me to do? Ow. Mimi, it's okay. I've apologized. What do you want from me? I will fight.
I'll physically black.
Mimi, I'm sorry. I've apologized to you now. You will not listen to me. I will fight back. If I fight back. If I fight back.
Yes,
Kill my daughter for me.
I don't know what I did to her. I don't know what I did to her.
Alright, girl. See you.
Okay, Mom.
Take care of yourself, okay? Love you. Next time.
Boss. Chairman. Excuse me, sir. Welcome, sir.
Linus.
Sir.
My wife dey inside of it.
And she there inside, and she don't return. She just, and your picking Kara. Kara there.
Kara. Did she go to school?
Go to school, okay? Madam degree and go school. Okay, now the reason why I dey here, and the reason why I stop you.
I don't understand.
Okay, Madam say make Kara no dey go school again. As long as say no be she born am for her belle, say you no deserve to go school.
Linus, you don't dey drink for afternoon again, abi?
Drink again.
Make I spell your mouth.
Okay, go inside, go see your daughter. Go inside, go see her.
Kara inside.
Go see her where she dey cry. Can you imagine? You see people, you see human being and wickedness. Picking where you pick when you no get child at all. You don't use the baby now, feel like mama, feel mother, feel like mother finish. Now you don't born your own. You want throw am? See life. No be people they go motherless baby, carry 8 children, keep for their house, they feed them. Feed them till some go become wetin they won't become for this life. They go grow finish. Not wetin they want.
Why are you not in school? And why are you the one cleaning the house? Huh?
Mom asked me to do it.
Babe, you're back there.
Why isn't Karen in school?
How was your trip?
You know I hate it when I repeat myself. Why isn't my daughter in school?
Mimi is in school. I dropped her off
Don't
myself.
be sarcastic with me, alright? Why isn't Kara in school?
The last time I checked, I asked you for money. You said business wasn't good, that we needed to cut back our losses. So I asked Kara to drop out of school so that we could save some money.
Asking our daughter to drop out of school will help us save money. What kind of ridiculous statement is that? You think sending her to school is an option for us? No, it's not. It's our responsibility.
It is not our responsibility. Besides, what we're doing, no other family can do that. So we're doing her a favor.
Can you listen to yourself and see how childish you sound? I was seated on the couch that evening when you walked through the door with that little girl. She came and she lit our world. The next day, I got an appointment I've been chasing for so many years. 4 years down the line, you got a child of your own. Now you refer to that child as not mine? Now listen, she is mine and she is my responsibility. And let this be the last time I will ever hear she's missing school or doing any house chores in this house. Except she wants to do it or you are training her out of love. Look, I'm very sorry, Kara. I don't know what's wrong with your mom, but I think she has been under a lot of stress lately, okay? And that's why she acted the way she did. But I have spoken to her and it will never happen again, alright?
Thank you, Dad.
I am your dad and you're my first daughter, okay? Nothing will change that.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
Rain of yesterday, the wars I can't forget. Eyes feel with the stories of battles fought.
I saw the way you looked at Kara during dinner. I am disappointed, Betty. I am disappointed you looked an innocent girl in the face and told her she's not our child. And she should go and look for her parents outside.
The man that helped to save the Ark of God, he died, right? It's my fault. Nami won't help. It's my fault.
You see this thing you just started? Be careful, else it's become your undoing. Good night.
I picked a homeless kid from the streets and gave her a home and a purpose. So it's my fault. It's not your problem. It's mine.
Just a week, baby. Okay? I'll be back before you know it. Clara,
Please don't go.
look, just look over your little sister, alright? Make sure she's always good. Have you heard? And you be a good girl, okay? Right, so we're gonna get ready for school. Babe, I don't know what it is Clara has done to you, alright? But please forgive her. For my sake. She is our child and I'm very happy with her. Alright? Can you do that for me?
Of course.
Are you sure?
Safe trip.
Bye.
Bye.
Pain of yesterday. The wars I can't forget.
Yes, ma'am. How dare you eat you?
Mommy, why did you slap
Now,
her?
if you don't go upstairs now and get ready for school, you will see another side of me that I don't want to see. Go up! And you had the temerity to report me to my husband.
What? Me? I didn't report you to...
Clara, let me warn you and warn you sternly. Today, my husband is away. A week, which is 7 days from today. I'm giving you 5 days to pack and go look for your parents, or better still, where you want to live. Or else you won't like it. And I would throw you out myself if need be.
Oh, Ma, please, I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have any other parents anywhere. Please, I beg you.
Go to hell.
I don't have anywhere to go.
You know, follow your sister go school.
Mom said I shouldn't go with her.
Why? But I think say your papa talked to them yesterday.
He talked to her, but as you can see, he's no longer around, so she can do whatever she wants.
Ha! Wetin be this woman problem, sef? Which kind of wahala be this one? Eh?
I think I should just start looking for my parents already. That's the only solution to this problem.
You say?
Start looking for my parents.
Parents where you know I be the one where you know.
But that's what she said. In fact, she gave me 5 days to get out of this house. If I don't look for my parents in 5 days and leave this house, she'll throw me out, and I don't want that.
Leave that in. That one initial gra. You know, say that your mama too they carry the talk. She not go fit do anything.
What if she does it?
She not go do does it how? Where she want from start? Chase you out of here. She just the talk. She not go do am.
Anyways, I came to you to ask if you know anything about my parents. Can you give me any information? Where they live, their names?
My dear, and my third year they run so for here. I won't take no. I no, I just come here newly. So you know get her for take no. Do you get? But see what thing I go advise you. You know that place where they say they pick you? Go there. Tell people your name. Try to search. Tell them about your story. You must get small link there. You must get person who go tell you say you know about you.
You're right. Thank you so much, Uncle Linus. I'll ask her about them.
Okay.
Thank you.
One on the pumping machine. Water they rush for all?
Yes, there's water.
So make I knock on her.
No, please don't on it.
Okay. You go back there.
Mom,
What is it?
I'd like to ask where you picked me up from, so I can go there and start looking for my parents.
Finally, you're now putting to good use what I and my husband paid for in school. For you to learn, of course. Well, I picked you up at, what's that? Yeah, Modupe Akin Street, at the Extra.
That Mojobe Akin Street where you picked me up from, did you see anyone there or any notes beside me?
No, I didn't see anybody. I don't think there was anybody. However, I feel that your parents were literate. That's why they couldn't write or leave a note for you.
Yes, thank you so much, Mom.
The memories of laughter, echoes of the past, fading like the sunlight, shadows they cast, promises were broken.
Mojobe Akin Street.
Dreams
Is it?
turned to dust.
Mojobe, that's where Mom picked me from.
Modubaki!
Yes.
Hey!
What happened?
I foresee now. No, I no go doubt am. I foresee. Because now that kind of place, then go they throw away picking up and down. For Modubaki.
I don't understand. Please, what are you saying?
My dear, you see that Modubaki, where they say they pick you from? Now there, then they throw away children up and down every day. Now that kind of place. Then they call them, then gone, as in where people they live. Then gone. Inside then gone. Now there they pick you. Now there are all the criminals, all the thieves they. In fact, you see that Modubaki, all the criminals, all the thieves where they operate for this Lagos, living and dead, the ones where they are alive and the ones where don't die. All of them get linked for Modubaki. Now all of them they start from. Not be Jesus. Now Modubaki they explain to you.
If really that's where she picked me up from, that means my parents must be very poor.
Poorer than the poorest. In fact, your father will be wretcheder than the wretchedest. Shishi, they know who.
See, Uncle Linus, it's better I go and start looking for them. I know that place can be dangerous, but at least let me just start.
No even think am. Be like say you don't know where they tell you. You don't know this thing where they explain to you. Be like say be you like say na play. Make I tell you. You see all this bad, all these small girls with big God. You get what them they always talk. They say it is better to cry inside Benz than to smile inside keke. This is your Benz. Cry here. Continue to the cry here. If you mistakenly go Modubaki, you go lost. The lost way you go lost go past this one now where you lost here. So no go there. I beg. See what thing will happen. Instead of you to go there, make I help you. I go search for you.
Really?
Don't be really. I go search for you.
Thank you so much, Uncle Linus. Thank you so much.
If you reach there, you don't lose. So.
Are you serious?
Go inside now. Bring paper and biro. Write your name, your age, your skin color, your height, everything about you. Date of birth.
I don't really know my height.
Go check. Use ruler, anything, measure. Go, measure. Measure, bring and make I use and run for you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Skin color, remember your skin color. Okay, no go to say you yellow now. Don't be saying it.
All work and not play makes Jacqueline a dog girl. Let's play. Which one do you want?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Cool, let's play.
Rock, paper, scissors.
That's not even a thing. What is this? No, you go rock. Well, come on. Yes.
Sarah? Kara, how many times have I told you to stay clear of my daughter? I don't want you near her. Don't even help her with anything.
I'm sorry, Ma. I was just helping her and we started playing. That's it.
Playing? Does she look like a toy to you? Don't play. Don't do anything.
Mommy, why are you shouting at my sister?
Mimi, close that your mouth. Does she look like your sister? She is not your sister. Pick. I don't want you near her. Come back here. Come back here. Come back here.
But
Stand.
she's my sister.
Mimi, if you say that thing one more time, you see what I'll do to you. Have you made dinner?
I didn't know I was supposed to make dinner too.
Jesus Christ. Mimi. Mimi. Mimi, I'm sorry. Mimi, please, I'm begging.
When did you become this careless, Kara? Huh? You want to kill your own sister? I thought I have warned you two about jumping on all these couches here. How can you play and push your sister to hit her head on the floor? Now listen. No more playing in this living room again. Alright? In fact, no more playing at all. That's all you're not a baby anymore. Am I clear? Look at me when I'm talking to you. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
You are lucky you didn't say anything. You had said I would strangle you. Rubbish.
Hey baby girl, how you feeling?
Better.
Are you sure? My baby's a strong girl.
Like my daddy.
Yes, like your daddy.
Where is Kara?
She should be in the kitchen, alright? She has been sulking all day because I scolded her about what happened yesterday.
Why did you scold her dad?
I know you're going to defend her, but she's your older sister and she needs to be more careful with you, alright? Pushing you to hit your head on the floor is a no-no for me.
Kara didn't push me.
What do you mean Kara didn't push you? Did you fall? Did it cause you amnesia?
I am fine, Dad. It was Mom that slapped me and I fell when she was trying to beat Kara.
What? But I scolded Kara yesterday and she didn't say she wasn't the one that did it.
Maybe she was afraid of Mom.
Betty. The only reason I am not beating you right now is because I don't hate women. What kind of evil has gotten over you?
What are you talking about?
What kind of woman hurts her child and puts the blame on another child?
I was going to hit Kara, but she dodged and my hand accidentally hit Mimi. Or else Mimi would have been hurt.
How shameless have you become? You are blaming the innocent girl for stepping away from you trying to hit her.
Zach,
I thought I had warned you not to hit any of these children.
Zach, why are you so quick to defend her? Why? You're always there to defend her. Why? Is there something going on between you two that I don't know?
What did you say?
I said, is there something going on between you and Kara that I don't know? You want to hit me. Zach, you will hit me. You see that hit? You must hit me. Eh? Hit now. Hit. Oh yeah, hit now. Because of that thing.
What are you talking about?
Come and hit me now. Look, that thing is leaving my house today. Whether you like it or not. Nonsense. Homeless thing is what you're... Moi, you want... you for triumph.
Why didn't you say anything? Why did you just stand here and watch me blame you for something you didn't do?
Because Mom wanted me not to say a word. She said she'll kill me if I say anything to you.
My child, Mom can kill you, alright? I'm sorry I said those harsh things to you. I mean, I believed your mom.
It's fine, Dad. The only thing that matters to me is that Mimi is okay.
You're right. And look, don't ever take the things your mom does or says to heart. Alright? I'm sure there's something bothering her that she hasn't spoken to us about. You know, she used to be a very sweet person.
Yeah, she used to be.
Okay, so are you forgiving me?
Yes.
Alright, now let's go see your sister.
Kara.
How are you?
Fine. Dad, why does Mom hate Kara?
Look, Mom doesn't hate Kara, okay? I'm sure there's something wrong that your mom hasn't told us about. But not to worry, I will speak to your mom about it. Alright?
Okay. Tomorrow is Monday. I have not done my homework.
Don't worry. I've done all your homeworks for you.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you too. You need rest, okay? Lie down. Would you like to eat anything?
Yes.
Okay.
What's the problem, babes? Why do you suddenly not want Kara in this house? I mean, she used to be your right hand. She used to be the apple of your eyes. So what's changed?
You happened.
What did I do?
Let me ask you a question. How many children do you have, Zach?
So,
Okay, let me rephrase the question. Better still, how many biological children do you have?
what's the essence of this question?
We answer the damn question.
One.
So why are you bent on sharing what we have between a total stranger and our own daughter, our own blood?
I'm still confused, Betty.
I saw your will, Zach. Why is he giving? Why is he giving 50-50? The same with my own daughter. I saw your will, Zach. Is it not good enough that we're giving her food, clothes, a good education, that you will share what we have toiled for years and shared 50-50 between that thing, total stranger, and our own daughter?
That girl you call a thing is our daughter.
She's not our daughter and will never be. Mimi is the only daughter we have. And I will not sit back and watch you share our property between that thing and our own blood. I've made myself clear, right? Good night. Good night.
Yesterday, the wars I can't forget. Eyes filled with the stories of battles fought and lost. The memories of laughter, echoes of the past, fading like the sunlight, shadows they cast, promises were broken.
Babes, you will have to go and pick the kids from school.
Why? You said you were going to pick them up henceforth.
I am on my way to the airport to catch a flight to South Africa right now. My chairman isn't feeling well, so I have to represent him at a business summit.
I've heard you.
Babes, please be easy with Kara, okay? She's our daughter too.
Safe trip, safe flight. Bye.
Yesterday, the wars I can't forget.
Kara, I want you to go upstairs, take off that uniform, and bring it down here.
Mom?
Mop at me one more time, and you'll see what I will do to you. Go upstairs, take off that uniform, and bring it down. Or else. Sweetheart, Mommy wants you to go upstairs and freshen up while I serve you food, okay?
Yes, Mom.
Be a good girl and go up. And on no condition should you come.
Okay, Mommy.
Chop chop, baby. I don't like repeating myself.
Broken, but it's holding on in the darkest hour. This is my story. 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 Story of pain. Oh, this is my story. This is my story. This is my story.
Now, I want you to put that rag on the floor and set it ablaze. Put that rag on the floor and set it ablaze.
Ma, please. Ma, please, I cannot burn my school uniform. Please help me and beg her. Please.
Please.
One more word from you, Linus, and you'll be begging me outside of the gates. Kara, you have two options. You either set that rag ablaze, or you leave this house this very minute.
Please, I beg you.
Which do you prefer?
I can't miss school.
Drop him.
I cannot miss my school because of
1 minute.
this. Please, I beg you,
One.
Mommy. Please.
2,
Madam, see the
No, please, I
3,
beg you, please.
Madam,
4.
Madam, go on now.
set the blaze.
No, please.
Make I help you burn him now.
5.
Make I help you burn him.
6.
My school uniform.
No, please, I beg you, ma. I beg you, I will not do it. Uncle, please. Uncle, please. Uncle, please. Now, let me hear you talk about school again. Rubbish.
Make school uniform burn. Instead of you to come out here, make school burn. This one no go still stop you from getting wisdom. If she thinks that if she burn this one, you no go get wisdom again. May we see.
Where did you go, my
Let me be the woman who give us and make you come out.
So this is where you're going to be sleeping. I don't want you close to my daughter or even in her room. Before she leaves for school, look at me. I want you to pack your things anywhere you want to put it. I don't care. Am I clear? Henceforth, this is where you're going to be sleeping. And before she leaves for school, you pack your things and go and store it there. I don't want her seeing that you're sleeping here. Okay? Now, good night. Hey! Take your dirty self off that and sleep on the floor. On the floor! Not my couch. Down.
Rain of yesterday, the wars I can't forget. Eyes fill with the stories of battles fought and lost. The memories of laughter, echoes of the past, fading like the sunlight, shadows they cast. Promises were broken, dreams turned to dust. Through the tears and trials, you rise again in the silence of sorrows. Our voice you made with every sky, a story written in our soul. She's caught in pain, can't find her way, lost in the night, searching for the day. Our heart is broken, but it's all been done in the darkest hour. This is my story.
Car, that is how I'm going to wake you up. If you allow me to wake up before you, this is how you'll be waking up every day. Will you stand up and go and make breakfast for my daughter?
What should I make?
Her favorite. Come back here. Kara, you don't expect me to clean up this mess, do you?
Yeah, I'm going to the kitchen to get it right now.
Get to it. Kara. because she's done with her schoolwork and she's just waiting for exams.
Why not yet midterm?
And you know the senior class is different from the junior ones, like your class.
Good morning, Kara.
Mimi, can we go so that we know the school?
Yes, ma'am.
I left some dirty clothes in my room on the floor, and I need them washed before I return. Also, I want you to wash my daughter's clothes as well. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
See you after school, Kara.
This is my story. 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 Story of pain. Oh, this is my story. 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 This is my story.
Uncle Linus, did you later go to that Modube street? You didn't go there, did you?
Plenty bad boys there.
You know what? Just give me the address. Tell me where I'll find it. Tell me where I'll go. I just have to find my parents. I just have to find them. Please. Please.
Okay, see what thing will happen, eh? Don't worry. Once your mama come back, I will go. Don't cry again.
Are you sure?
Don't cry. Don't cry. Sorry. Don't cry, oh. Don't be cry, not the solve problem. Sometimes the major thing where they solve problem for this life and our money.
Pain of yesterday, the wars I can't forget.
Excuse me.
I feel where the stories.
Madam, I want to talk to you about something.
About what?
About Kara. Kara.
Baby? Don't shut the door. What about Kara?
Madam, you know say all the while they live here, I don't even know say they wicked. I don't know say they wicked. Because all the time while they see you, they see you as nice person. The way you take they treat me, the way you go give me food, give me everything. And as you yellow, plenty yellow people know they wicked. And just few of them wicked. I think say you be better person, you know. All of a sudden like this, you can't turn to wetin I know no. Come the wicked. And this girl wey they do all these things, na person pikin, you know. Nobody knows tomorrow.
Now listen to me, and listen good. The next time you poke your nose into what does not concern you, Linus, I will set you up for a crime that you cannot prove your innocence. Try me. Your people will be visiting you in jail.
Okay.
Rubbish.
Thank you. See? You see? I take your free slap like this. Free. No one more. Everywhere I go.
Baby, why are you not eating your food?
What's Kara?
Eat your food, baby.
Since Kara is named, then I won't.
I said eat your food.
No, I won't.
Mimi. Have you seen what you've cost? Because of you, my daughter refused to eat. In fact, follow me. Kneel! you in any other position until my precious daughter finishes her food. And I don't want to come here and see you any other position. Am I clear? Carol, am I clear? Kneel well. Kneel properly. Rubbish. Baby, come here. Look, I know you're upset with mommy, but as you can see, Kara is not here. Mommy sent her to go and get something for us to eat tomorrow for breakfast. But before she comes back, I'd like you to know something. Look at me. You are my baby, the only child that I have. Kara is not your sister. I didn't give birth to her. I picked her up from the streets. So she's not your sister. You, however, my princess, I give birth to you. Okay? So don't be upset with mommy. So you eat now? Please? Good girl.
Kara, what thing happen? Why did they do that? This woman won't kill you. Which kind of thing be this one now? Stand up there. Stand up there.
Uncle, have you gone to Modupe Street?
Now Modupe they come back from now. I don't go there and nobody there agree say they know anything will concern you. They say they never hear this kind of story before. They don't know about you. No name like this. In fact, the people just they tell me, Sue, make her they go. Like say they know they understand what they speak. You know, say time don't pass, time don't go. The story go don't take. So even people who feel know you that time, feel don't pack out, they feel don't shift. That be the thing.
Does that mean I don't have anywhere to run to? I'm stuck here now.
See, there is nothing like you don't get anywhere to run to. There is God in everything. I remember where they talk for, where they always talk say, waiting God no fit do cannot exist. So you leave am. You go, God go always dey there for you. So stand up, make you dey go. Stand up, make you dey come out.
Mom said I shouldn't stand up from here.
She said wetin?
She said I shouldn't stand up, that I should
Because we
keep
dey
being
always fear am, we no dey talk to am. Wait, make
No,
I talk to am.
no, sir.
No, make I talk to am. Make I talk to am for the first time. What is this now?
Please.
Stand up here. If I come back here and you are still here, I go burn this house down now. Stand up here. This thing don't do too much. Stand up here now. Don't tell you.
The next time you look for my trouble and you come between I and my husband or my daughter and I will lock you up in the store for 1 week without food and water. Come on, stand up, Jerry. Nonsense. Why are you disturbing my sleep?
I'm feeling very cold. I'm feeling sick.
How is that my business? Am I a doctor?
No, I came to beg you. Please, let me just sleep on the couch just for this night. I won't sleep on the couch again.
If I see as much as your finger on any of my couch, Kara, I will cut it off. Touch anything that looks like a couch in this house and you'll be shocked at what I will do to you.
Please, I beg you.
Leave my door, Kara. Leave my door before I come out there and throw you out of this house entirely.
Kara, what thing they do there? Wetin be this woman problem sef? Why she go give you punishment to come dey under sun? Which kind thing be this? Why this woman just swear say if you no die she no go rest? What is this?
No, she didn't tell me to come here.
She no tell you to come here. So what are you doing here?
I've been feeling very cold, so I decided to come here to feel a little bit better.
You are feeling so this thing, you can't dey under sun. Okay, you don't hear about vitamin K? Vitamin K, the one where dem dey collect for early morning sun. See wetin dey knack. Na almost afternoon, this one na vitamin kill. Now you go collect, e go just kill you. Go sit down here. Nothing you need na malaria and typhoid with cold medicine. So go sit down for shed, make I go rush bring am for you.
This place now, I feel worse. Like this cold is.
Go sit down first. Hi! You see how hot wey you dey this girl? Oh yeah, go.
Please, I
Come
want to
go
stay
sit
here.
down, no dey here
I feel
before the thing go
better.
worse. Sit down. Sit down here, oh. Just sit down here.
So you shouldn't.
Make I go bring Navagin. Make I bring Navagin for you. Make I go bring. Make I cover you. No too much. This is not the just sleep. You could just come out. Sleep. 3 hours I will come, then water make you drink more. You hear? 3 hours. 8 hours. 3 hours.
Wait. You are sleeping on my couch. And you have the audacity to take my daughter's duvet? To cover this your poverty-stricken body?
Madam, no verse. No be she. No be she cover herself. Let me carry the duvet. Let me go bring her, come cover her. You get nowhere. Go the catch her.
What the hell are you doing into my house? And who invited you into this talk? Am I speaking to you?
Madam, you know say this girl na person pikin. Na person pikin. As you see am, the girl dey sick well. You get as e go do na this girl go die na wetin you go talk? You get your own children. Tomorrow night, nobody know tomorrow. If it dey na something fit happen to you now, you go just.
Linus, you see that your stupid cubicle, right? You will go back there, take your rags, and leave my house. Because you're fired.
Hey, madam, see, I know they fear fire. I know they fear fire. Not everybody they fear you are fire. No be everybody dey fear am. As I dey, I get agency where your oga come. I get agency where your oga come write, sign before they allow me come here. So if una wan sack me, no be this kind shout, you are fired, no be so I go take go. When I go waka reach there again, go sign, say see wetin I do. Then I go comot. And at that time, I go make sure say I tell the whole world the kind person wey you be. Madam, I don dey try to calm down for you. Wetin dey happen sef? This thing no be person pikin. No be person pikin. This girl don her own. She no beg you make you go carry am. You just from nowhere go carry am come here, wan kill am. Oya see am kill na. If una reach there, make una tell them say una don sack me. Then you go know say I go carry your name go tell those people wey dey for social media. You go see say dem go dey call you out like this. Your picture go dey everywhere as wicked woman. See person pikin wey you wan kill, try am. You go see say your I go make sure say dem advertise you everywhere. You can't teach this one. Very wicked. Everybody dey beg you sef. Wetin happen? Go die.
Mom, please, I don't have anywhere to go. And you, right? This is the reason why I'm throwing her out. You are showing yourself, your muscles, right? As per a member of Poor People's Association. Solidarity.
Mom, please, I beg.
Out! Mom, please, I don't have... I'll wait. I don't have anywhere. Oh. Out! I think I'll do it. I'll do it. Out! Mom, please. Trash!
Linus! Uncle Linus! Uncle Linus, please open the gate, Uncle Linus! Uncle Linus! Mom, please, I beg you, I'll do anything you want me to do. I won't try anything again. I don't have anywhere to go. I don't have anywhere. Mom, please, I beg you.
The pain of yesterday, the wars I can't forget. I feel when the stories of battles fought and lost. The memories
Kara,
of laughter.
which kind problem be this one? I don't understand this kind of mama wey you get. Why this woman just wicked like this? Why this woman no just wan use eye see you? Wetin be this? Which kind of temptation be this one?
Uncle Linus, I don't have anywhere to go. I don't know where to go. I don't know who my parents are. I don't even know where they are.
See wetin you go do now, Carry this bag, just go down, no pass the second street, Hide one corner there. Once she comot here, go carry her pikin from school. I go bring you back, make you enter my room.
You know you might get into trouble.
Which
if
trouble?
she finds out that I'm in your room, you might get into trouble.
Is it your trouble? The trouble na your trouble. Carry your bag, go hide there. At the day where I go fit see you, Once she comot now, I go. I know say once your papa come back, he no go ever allow you come out for here. Just go. Go, no dey cry. Clean your tears. Clean your tears. No let people know say you dey in trouble. Just pretend like you're alright. Can you imagine? You see how people take wicked? See, sometimes to dey rich na problem. If to say this woman dey poor now, she forget this kind mind. To say I be God. Nah. Crowd for dey poor. Crowd. So many people.
Yesterday,
Una see how small they are very fast.
wars I can't forget. I feel
Excuse me. You get one girl where you see here, one small girl.
Like on that side.
She carry bag.
Yes, she entered that side.
Okay, she go like this.
echoes of the past, fading like the sunlight. Shadows they cast.
Who told you? This place is very far. I say, what is it? Enter the next street.
See, I just saw a car pass.
You saw her
Yes.
car. That's why you ran into this place. You want to waka pass. Waka pass.
Mom, where is Clara? I've not seen her since I returned from school.
Yes, Kara. Her parents came to pick her up.
I thought you said you picked her on the streets.
Yes, baby, I picked her from the street, but I'm sure when I went to drop you in school, Kara went out to search for her parents and didn't come back till she found them, which, of course, she was lucky. And she came with her parents. Who am I to say no? I can't separate a child from her parents, right?
Her parents. Her parents.
Yes, her parents.
It is strange that she left without talking or telling me.
Baby, sometimes we don't know people the way we think we do. By the way, are you done with your homework?
Not yet.
Why?
I am having difficulty with my mathematics homework.
But you know Mommy can help you. Mommy is good with maths, right?
Yes.
So go and bring your homework. Let me help you.
But Mom, did they tell you where they live?
No, they didn't, baby. They didn't. Go bring your assignment.
Yeah. What are you doing there? Waiting with that. What did you do there?
I'm trying to sleep, even though the sleep is not coming.
Stand up, go bed. Go bed, go sleep.
This is your room, and this is your bed. I can't come to your room and inconvenience you.
What do you mean by this is my room? Who dashed me the room? Eh? So if they sack me for this work, what they do now? How this place go come continue to be my room? Anything will happen, you know, say this is my work na temporary. If anything happen now, they pursue me for here. This room, who go come live here? I go carry am for head go. Go bed, go sleep, John. You will know well. Where could they catch? Come carry yourself, keep for ground. If anything happen to you now, then go come hold me. I beg my dear, go bed, oh. Stand up, may you go bed. And see your bag. You know, get something where they break inside here. See this bag heavy. Ha! Now, wow. Go. Go, they block my bed. Stand up, they block my bed. If they block my bed, go. Maturu chukwu. Onye na-ekpochapụ njọ nke ụwa. Mere anyị ebere. Sleep, use that pillow, eh? Mere anyị ebere. Biko nna m ebere. You don't pray? Eh?
No.
You never pray? Oh, yeah, make we pray. Our Lord's Prayer. Our Father, who art in heaven, thy name don't come, earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread.
Pain of yesterday, the wars I can't forget. Eyes fill with the stories of battles fought and lost. The memories of laughter, echoes of the past, fading like the sunlight, shadows they cast.
Cara, what's happened? Why they cry?
I really don't know what I did to Mom. I don't know what I did to her that made her attitude towards me change completely. I mean, she used to be a sweet and loving mother. She used to be good.
The same thing why I ask myself. The same thing why they ask myself. Look, this woman where they day every day, they call you sweetheart, baby, this one. Since how many years why don't they hear now? Waiting change. Waiting bring this change where this woman come they see you like enemy. Where she no one make you drink water drop cup. Waiting happen. I mean, you care what you do and what you know.
I didn't do anything. I just feel lonely right now. I feel like I'm alone in this world. Like,
you don't feel lonely, my dear. I'm there for you. And God also there for you. So you no go feel there lonely for this life when you're there. Yes. See, don't worry. Just there. Just relax. Once your papa come back now, everything go settle. I trust him. You no go feel they allow this ones to just they happen now.
I believe you. He's the only hope I have. He's the only person that fights for me.
God will fight for you too. Your hope will be in God and your Father. You no go feel they hopeless for this life. So relax, Sleep. Don't worry. See tears, these tears where they waste, You know the food belly, you know be food. If you like cry from 1,000 years, you know if you fool your belly go still there empty. Cry no be food. So sleep. Carry all your problem now. Put them for your head, Lie down, sleep, forget them. That's the best remedy. Lie down, Make we sing again. Make we sing.
Ma, no.
Make we sing.
No.
You don't tie. Oh, you like that, make her they sing. They hear them. If he make you sleep safe. You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. My Redeemer. You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised. You are worthy to be praised.
Silence of sorrow, our voice will mend with every sky. A story written in our soul. She's caught in pain, can't find her way, lost in the night, searching for the day.
Sonia's no good. Kara. Test them. Na kunjara.
Let me go and beg Mom. Let me beg her to take me back in.
Go and beg her.
When she comes back, I'll go and beg her.
My dear, that one a waste of time. No need. Just relax until your papa come back. In fact, this woman where you see say she don't swear, say nothing go ever make her allow you enter this house. Now you won't go there. That one a waste of time.
How about I talk to Mimi? I'll tell her to beg her mom. There's no how she cannot listen to her daughter.
You be smart pikin, shall I make it they think like this? Woman will never listen to adults, mature people like this. Now that me, that small pikin, he go, now slap, he go take, push her enter her. See, what you talk now? Go inside. The Chris, and the reaction we go give her. Leave that one. That one no work at all. See what thing go happen? I go meet him. I go take time. No waiting in mama tell her. Waiting he tell her where he tell her say you go. Now from waiting he tell me, now I go take know how to enter.
Yeah. That sounds fine. That sounds okay. Thank you so much.
Oh yeah, test the Indomie first. Man, know whether I go bring more salt.
Don't want to worry.
Don't say me an Indomie with a quarrel. We get problem. If we add salt or pepper, we bring that own. I'm going above the shadow, into the presence of God. Hey, Mimi, the girl will find well for this house. In fact, the girl will find pass everybody for this house. How are you?
Uncle Linus, Mom said no speaking foul language.
Foul what? Waiting be foul language. Foul girl language. It can be foul language. You don't ever see foul where they talk. No be whom. You go there. Yeah. Foul no girl language. No let them deceive you. Nothing like foul language. Then get pidgin English. If not that one, your mommy say make I no speak again. Make she come carry me go school. They yeah. They do your assignment.
Yes.
Why your sister Nana? She dey help you do am. Where she dey?
Mom said that she left the house.
She left the house. She left the house to where now?
Her parents came and took her away.
Her parents came and took her away.
I am angry with her because she left without telling me. I thought we were sisters.
Before uncle, you people are sisters. You are sisters, but I can't wonder. What thing can they happen? She's supposed to be your sister, but what thing can they happen? Let me tell you, Mimi, in this your life, as you are growing up, no be everything what they tell you for this life you go believe. Yeah? You get some things where they go tell you. Pretend like say you are okay with it, but think about them. Think and well. No be everything where they tell you for this life you go believe. All that glitters, some na just paint. Na paint they just rub and make it shine. All that glitters, all of them no be good. So what did they do for the assignment? Let me try to help you. Where you there? Where be that one? Leave that side. I know two now. Go further. This woman, this your mama wicked though. That woman, her mind dey for back. I swear, I never seen this kind of person before.
How can she lie to Mimi? How can she tell her what I didn't do? Uncle Linus, I have to tell Mimi the truth. I have to go out there, look for her and tell her the truth.
You have to do it.
I have to tell her the truth.
You think say na joke with a joke here? No, you think say na play with a play here? Who be Mimi? Small pikin. Okay, if you tell her the truth, then wetin go happen? Mimi go tell you to move back to the main building or what?
Not that she'll tell me to move to the main building, but I can't let my sister live with the lie.
I beg, leave that thing. Mimi na small pikin. Once this thing is over now, go tell her the truth. And once you tell her the truth, she go forget the past things where them tell her. So forget that one. Don't worry,
You've been telling me don't worry since. Uncle Linus, you've been telling me don't worry, but things keep getting worse.
What do you want me to tell you before? Oh yeah, begin worry. Worry. Come up. No, calm down, come up. They try to calm. You think say the thing not the first me. Now me first pass. Now me the thing don't tire pass. But what the man go do? I beg relax. See, I want to take my semester now. I take my semester, I rest my mind, take semester.
You need to take your semester.
I take semester. You self rest too. This afternoon you need semester too.
Uncle, it's not semester. It's siesta.
Fiesta.
No. The S is still there. Just remove the mester. Siesta.
Siesta. What thing would they see Esther for? No, who be Esther? No, me will run for them. Who invite them? Which one be siesta?
Oh, Uncle Linus, you joke too much.
No, we go run say Esther because which one be siesta? If we hear Esther, make with the run. Say na siesta. Who be Esther? I better sleep. If you no want sleep, you talk. Collect your own semester. Me, I don't dey collect my own.
Mom, I'm missing Kara.
Mimi, we'll be late for school, okay? We don't want to be late, right? All right, let's go. What is it? Mimi. Hey, Jesus Christ. Mimi.
What happened? I heard Mom shouting. What happened?
Yeah, your sister. They just the pass here now. The next thing I hear, the girl do like you boom. He fall.
Wait,
faint.
she fainted.
She faint.
My sister fainted. What happened to her?
Maybe you know chop, they go school.
That's not possible. She always gives her food in the morning. What happened to her?
I don't know.
God, nothing to happen
Make
to
her
my
go
sister.
check.
Let me go and check. No, let me go and check on her.
Madam, go back to your room, John. Make her go check.
Uncle Linus, are you sure I shouldn't come back?
Come back. Come on, go inside, go shop. Hey.
Bad. Yeah, she needs a transplant.
How can the kidney of a little girl be bad?
No, I just came back to get some few things for her that she'll be needing.
Look, I am on my way to the airport right now. If you are home, who's with her now?
My sister is with her. Please just come back, I'm begging you. Please.
Who is Kara?
Don't ask me any stupid questions, just come back. Kidney problem.
No,
well, how can a child that's not even up to 13 have kidney problem?
You be doctor. No, why you dey ask? You be doctor, now you check him. Doctor don't check, tell you say kidney don't go. You can't ask how can a 13 years old. Then they do am by age.
Please, I want to see my sister, Uncle Linus, please. I will come back as soon as possible. If I just see her, I will come back.
Like say it say this thing na joke. If you come out outside there, where they go through, where you go shock you. You say these people care about you. Stay here, Joe. You know, waiting be you want to go and see. Oh yeah, go now. Go. Make I know how you go to enter this compound again. Waiting they say they need na kidney. Kidney. Person will go donate kidney for the girl. Now waiting I hear. So that one no be problem. I know say the way madam take like that girl, he go give am kidney sharp. Even if they say the girl need to, the way they take like am, madam go bring one, oga go bring one, go donate am, give am sharp. Leave that one, sit down here, make you rest, abeg. Say you want go do it. You not go sit down. And that thing I use my ear here there when I dey chop indomie. As I hear am, ooh, I chop the indomie fast, make I can't tell you. Then it don't go.
Look, I'm just gonna rush home, have a change of clothes, and I'll be back here, alright?
Please, before you return, can you get milk from the fridge when you get home?
Well, look, I'm still not done with the issue of you letting Kara go without my permission.
They're her parents, and not strangers.
What do you mean they are parents, they're not strangers? Did they show you any proof or they just said it and you let her go?
I cannot believe you, Zach, right now. I can't believe you. Our child is there, critically lying down ill, and you're talking about Kara at this point, arguing me. I'll see you when you return.
Rain of yesterday, the wars I can't forget. Eyes filled with the stories of battles fought and lost. The memories of laughter.
How is Mimi? How is her head? Her body?
She's not looking good, Linus. She's not looking good. The doctor said I and Betsy's kidneys aren't a match.
Hey.
So we're still hoping for a donor to come through soon. Because she doesn't have much time.
Jesus. Hi! Poor child. Poor pikin. Hi! Okay, don't worry. God go help her. God go help her, eh? Hi! Kidney. Big man sickness. Big man sickness. Where poor man? Poor man don't even see food to chop. Talk more of to lose kidney. Even if poor man lose kidney, he no go even know. Who go give him money to do the test? He go they drink malaria medicine before you know you don't enter ground.
This is my story. This is my story. This is my story. Story of pain.
Uncle Linus, how is my dad? Did he ask about me? What about Mimi? Is he a donor? Is she okay?
It's bad news. Bad news there, they tell you.
What kind of bad news?
Oga say in kidney and Madam Kidney no match the girl own at all.
What? Wait, so you mean there's no donor at all yet?
Nobody to donate. You know girl who go donate at all. Wahala dey.
I will donate my kidney to her.
Is it?
I will give Mimi my kidney. She's my sister.
Something they worry you. Which kind? See sand for him. Wait, see. Remove. Cleaner. Thank God. It's good as you clean that nonsense where you talk now. That rubbish where you just talk now. It's good as you clean now. Make you give it. You think say kidney na pomo? Na doa na pomo where you go just use toothpick.
What would you have me do? What would you have me do? Sit back and let my sister die because of what I have?
Madam, what thing you have?
Kidney.
Who tell you say you have kidney? Which kidney you have? You wear malaria every day, you dey for sun. You know whether na one kidney for your this thing don't go. Say na one you dey use. You don't know whether na one you dey use. Where they make you sick all the time. See this one, you think say kidney na small pikin thing. Anyway, you just dey talk as small baby where you be. They talk nonsense. This person now where you won't give this kidney. No be this woman where chase you and say no be she born you.
I know she chased me out, but Mimi didn't chase me out. And even if she's my sister, I will give her. Look, Uncle Linus, all I need you to do is take me to the hospital and identify as my father.
Hi, children. You see this small pikin. This girl thinks say kidney na carving biscuit. Thinks say na crackers or digestive. You won't give you know as soon as children they always like to share. Think say kidney maybe na biscuit. They laugh you. I know they follow you go. I know go follow you go. Wetin be this one? Please to do wetin?
Just go to let's check if it matches.
Wetin if God no go ever allow your kidney to match. God no go ever allow am. See this girl, wetin they need am for? You suppose run as you just see as if I be you now. As I hear say they need kidney for this house. For night you don't run. Because they fit catch you collect am by force. Be this one.
Please, I beg you.
No, they worry me.
Let's go and try. If it doesn't match, I'll back off.
He no go match, back off. He no go ever match. What did they worry you?
Now what you doing?
No, they worry me, oh. No, they worry me. No, they worry me. Okay, you won't go there.
Yes.
You won't go there.
Yes.
Okay. You know what thing go make me carry you go there? So that you no go come here, come they worry me. I go carry you go there because I know say even God no go let your kidney match. Because of the wickedness where they don't met for you. When they don't met on your head, you no go ever walk. They no go ever, nothing go ever make your kidney match. So I go carry you go there so that you go know say, I know they talk nonsense.
Thank you. At least thank you for taking me there.
I don't know road though. I have to first go know address of the hospital.
Okay.
Yourself, they here. They find kidney where you want to throw away.
Thank you so much.
No, they say thank you. You no go ever match. Now waste of time. They do this one.
Pain of yesterday. I can't forget. Eyes fill with the stories of battles fought and lost. The memories of laughter, echoes of the past, fading like the sunlight, shadows they cast. Promises were broken, dreams turned to dawn.
Babe! Please, we're running late now. And my sister says she has to go to work this night. You know she's on the night shift. Baby, please now. And the doctor has been calling, but I'm scared to pick his call. Besides, I've not been answering the doctor's call. I'm just scared.
Why would you be ignoring his calls?
Because I'm scared.
Do you know if he has good news?
Good news.
Madam, I've been calling you taking my call. What happened?
I'm sorry. I didn't want to hear bad news.
Bad news? Well, on the contrary, I have any good news.
Really?
Yeah.
We have a donor.
Please, who is it?
Please, who is it?
Your first daughter.
What? My first daughter. You mean Kara?
Yeah. Kara! Kara!
My love, I missed you so much. Where have you been? Where are your parents? Did they abandon you again?
My parents? That I've never been with my parents. In fact, I've been in this house all along.
But your mother said your biological parents came and you left with them.
And you believed her. Dad, you know I cannot leave this house without your permission.
Betty, what's going on here?
Ogana true. You don't tell away madam pursue her come for this house. Let me just manage, just the help am. Don't tell away pursue am.
Madam did what?
Yes. Uncle Linus took me in. I've been staying in his room with him.
In his room? Linus, are you okay?
Sir?
Huh? Are you okay?
Oga, what do they think? What do they think? I beg no think go that side. This one now mature now. What thing I want to do with this one? So I don't know anything.
No, Dad, nothing happened. He helped me. He's been giving me food. He even slept on the floor while I slept on the bed.
How can you be this heartless, Betty? You sent a girl that calls you mother back into the streets where you picked her up from. And you had the effrontery to lie to me that her biological parents came to pick her up.
I'm sorry, Zach. I was overwhelmed with jealousy. I allowed jealousy to take the better part of me.
Jealousy? How can you be jealous of your own daughter?
You were going to will half of your property to her. I just wanted more for Mimi, that's all.
What? Mom, Mimi's my junior sister. I can give her everything I own.
Did you hear that? This is the same girl you be hating on. And now she has come to donate her kidney to your supposed biological daughter.
And the kidney is a match.
Eh?
Yes, a perfect match.
No, the kidney match. Hey.
Babe, I'm so sorry. I'm truly sorry.
Please, stand up.
No, I won't stay here. I don't know what got into me. I'm sorry.
It's fine, please.
I'm sorry.
Mom, I have forgiven you. In fact, I forgave you a long time ago. You're my mother. You're the only mom I know. And I can never trade you for anyone in this world.
I'm so sorry, my baby.
Doctor, beg, one more question. Beg, go see if you come out the kidney. Nothing will happen to her. My test and well. In March.
What?
Maybe tomorrow now.
Linus, will you just stop?
You know they had, then go say complication.
Go outside.
You know they had.
Now you're always supposed to use.
Thank you so much.
Madam, you don't take open match now.
Let's keep it here.
Yeah. I just borrow you one.
You also
Pain of yesterday, the wars I can't forget. Eyes fill with the stories of battles fought and lost. The memories of laughter, echoes of the past, fading like the sunlight. Shadows they cast, promises were broken, dreams turned to dust. Through the tears and trials, she'll rise again. In the silence of sorrows, our voice will mend. With every scratch, a story written in our soul. caught in pain, can't find her way, lost in the night, searching for the day. My heart is broken.
Baby, do you want to say something to your big sister?
Sister Kara, thank you for giving me a part of you. I will be grateful forever.
You know you're my sister. And I'll do everything to make sure you're alright, okay? Alright, sweetie. Can mommy take you upstairs now?
Yes.
You need to rest.
This is my story. This is my story. Oh, story of pain. She's caught in pain, can't find her way, lost in the night. Pain of yesterday, the wars I can't forget. Eyes filled with the stories of battles fought and lost. The memories of laughter, echoes of the past, fading like the sunlight, shadows they cast. Promises were broken, dreams turned to dust. Through the tears and trials, she'll rise again. In the silence of sorrows, our voice will mend with every sky. A story written in our soul. She's caught in pain, can't find her way, lost in the night, searching for the day. Her heart is broken, but she's holding